CEOs get rich quick things, especially when they see others making thousands of dollars online. But this is a real business, and even one sale makes a difference. Imagine this, a quiet Sunday at home, and suddenly you get paid $900. That's what happened to Chantal in our community. See, that's why digital marketing makes more sense than getting a second job. Because when you have an online business that's automated, like ours, you don't need to trade time for dollars. Your website does its thing, and it gets seen by people who are ready to change their lives. And in the process, it changed your lives too. And that's why I'm telling you, start your online business to earn even on a lazy Sunday. Now, if you want to know how to build an income online, comment info down below or tap on my face right here and make sure to follow me.